Hey yo, welcome to our next episode of What's the Deal? I'm PRK, the Casa Sensation. I'm with the Salmon's Twin. How you doing, guys?
Oh, what's up, PRK?
You know what I always say, what it do.
Man, we got Tease Man in the back here as well.
Yeah, got a team in.
Do you hear? These two are always like Barry Whiting their voices when they talk.
Yeah, dog.
What's up, man?
It's for the monies.
Quick in the break.
Nobody's.
Hey, it's nobody's.
So make sure that you do get us and follow us on our social media platforms. Then do follow us. And today we have our beautiful host, my main man. Nabaning bambiza ngathi man. Nabaning
Bro, guest, not host.
Hey, man.
I can sell this thing. Ngimvayisele right there. Say yakhe Chimen. Hey Chimen. No, Chimen ngathi uneslang. Ungikhamukela ngibhunyisela Chimen. Here we have Kuluva as one of our guests. Watiwanga Kuluva has been true. When you talk about life, I'll tell you everything. And then from there to there, I know we survive it. Welcome to our show. What's the deal, Kuluva? Skipper Kazlam.
Come on, John Fitch.
Oh, yes.
And Bonan Fitch.
And I move over to Nathan
I'm not
Funjan.
two man Bonami. But the young in the wrong right.
Yeah. So start to share again. Then come back, Kuluva. Come up. Menu yakho to ngihlale ethi
Yeah, I'm all beat, Marl.
Yeah.
I think something in big, and
Yeah.
ngicabanga labaningi cishe sebayangada yabo
Yeah.
bayathi nokuthi ngiphuma up since history yami ngile ngayibeka lapha ma-1 and 2 yabo from prison
Yeah.
to outside prison
Yeah.
then ngathi mangifela ngaphandle like ngakudecide ngisaseprison ukuthi no le mpilo le bengiyiphila last akusafanele iphile ifane nale nto iphila manje
Yeah.
since batonginika i-chance ukuthi ngiphume ngiye ngaphandle so I have to change. That's why sekufika le gama lelithi ishintsha Kuluva.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So washintsha uKuluva.
Yeah.
Then ngicine ngithola slot ngathi mase ngila ngaphandle ngathola slot ku SABC radio officially
Kwala, yeah.
kwaba neslog okay le program beyikhona yona eshintsha Kuluva but number gcina bangipha yona then leligama lashintsha Kuluva lahlala from lapha alisakhona ukuphuma naleli lami lebhola abaningi abangathi ukuthi ngidlala ibhola abalazi but lela Kuluva selihleli vele lihleli so shintsha Kuluva uchamuka lapho ukuthi bengumuntu lobeka ganga previous but now ngisaganga sengiphila impilo leso.
And a lot of people about Frustani, they don't know good when you grew up here at Barberton.
Yeah.
So take us through your background yakho to Kulenjan.
Ngokudalwa mina ngasedindela
Yeah.
e108
Yeah.
uyakwathi
Eat.
so ngamuva eBarberton saseyintwana lokuthi ole nethama lami bebangasahlanza wonye bebahlukile
Yeah.
bebahlukene so ithama lami lihlala engodini yabo la ngithatha ithama diploma na then ngamuva eBarberton ngahlala engodini then ngathi mase ngihlele engodini nakhona zange ngihlala isikhathi lesithe yabo kwatholakala ukuthi une team lengithathako eDisk
Yeah.
yaseJozi isibone senda ama trial yabo isibone besidlala ibhola then basithatha basinda sama trial of which it was Imondo FC
Yeah.
bekuyi-team yama-Muslim
Yeta.
bangithatha kwangikosa ukuthi ngikhuphuka unfortunately ngale eJozi ngine-family yami
Yeah. Yeah.
kunamntwana babelomkhulu wami kune second born yababa wami of which ngisesi wami
Yeah.
then ngenda liphutha mina liphutha lengalenda ukuthi ngingaya kohlala ne-team ecampaign
Oh Lord.
ngahamba ngahlala ne-family yami of which ihlala kuliphi ikasi eGomora
Egomora.
e-Alexandra
Ay.
konke lokho wrong right
Was it hectic, man?
shit is gangster akukhutwana lapha.
Yes,
Yeah.
Understand
Yeah.
akukhutwana lapho konke lokho wrong right njengoba ngikutshela
Yeah.
so wathi kuhamba kwesikhathi ngaqala ngajela ngafika ngafunza lesinye isikolo bathi kuse Gordon Primary School siselokishini bengihlala first wena second yo yabona lawo malanga lawo kwendeke nje imumishi kimi you understand like mawufika endzaweni
Yeah.
ngumswati ngikhuluma Swati maZulu bakhuluma Zulu Sotho Spade you understand then bekufuna ngene eclassini lesizulu
Yeah.
uthola ukuthi space segcwele
Sigcwele.
asekho but like ne space khona iclass lesisuthu
Yeah.
angina choice sengihlala eGomora sengihlala Alexandra
Lokho
ngeke ngibuyele emuva
Yeah.
you understand
Yeah.
bangifaka eclassini lesisuthu yaqala inkathazo
Yeah, language barrier.
bangifaka eklasini lesisuthu
Yeah.
oh bathi mabangifakile obvious angeke bangifaka eklasini imniyaphi eclass bangakamtsheli
Sure.
already bese bamtshelile ukuthi
Kunemfana omswati.
kunemfana omswati bangibita ngamnaka
Eish.
kunemfana omswati lapha yami simfakile iclass la kwathi okay usually yathi emaklasini sifika kucala dani bomeme
Yeah.
meme ungena sekasithuliseni bangamsindo thulani nangimeme yabo ngimisela sintobeni angeke ngimkhohle angahlala ene bangihlalisile itafula lelakuqaleni nje
Yeah.
yabo angina uniform lephelene net benginelihembe elimhlophe
Eish.
lelihembe elimhlophe ne belaselo fet high
Eish.
la ngala
La.
yeah ngala ngilithathe kumntwana Antwam Floyd
Okay. Yeah.
but sewashona
Yeah.
nale emblem yawathi abanala ama emblem
Sure.
yaselo fet high
Sure.
ngcoka ijini short iSisco
Yeah.
35 lel blue saselisho habe ngumnandi yabo yeah
Yeah.
okay right avele mem uthi makavela siyasukuma sonke njengase court makena
Yeah.
amajiyani
Yeah.
siyasukuma sibe sihlala phansi athi mem ukai ofethe ofihla
Yeah.
bathi ukuphi lo locetha
Fika.
akimi chayipalini angini yabo bangikhoya bathendo bakhuluma na ayingisukume yabona like eclassini mema kafikile manje imnika attention ngiyathula tu like mangisukuma kuvala nalesitulo mangisiphusha
Yeah.
understand ngiyasukuma ngiyena aruthi wakai uthi ngibuya kuphi mina ngithi igama lami ngimncede ngakashakwa
Utswaka.
Bakuhleka blind.
wa nhleka yabo uyabuya futhi uthi umanga libitso lawo ngithi mina ngibuya eNelspruit chief the deal of the but nami angithi soli angathi bengathi
Yeah.
uthini but bengisho ukuthi letindo levele ngifuna ngibude dona ngiyito leto
Yeah.
nami ngiphambanisile yabo but yakhamba kwesikhathi ngajela ngasibamba sisuthu kancane yabo plus ni sister Ramgco siyabe kumsuthu because sister Ram vele beliphila ngale yabo
Yeah.
then khamba kwesikhathi ngaba mnani nesizulu singasibamba mara solo bangibita mnaka
Yeah.
yeah then sekuba nale GT le day 1 of which isikawata song sesimajita never mind ukuthi ngimgulova or ngwebhorke or ngwebani iyashaya song le
Sure.
the issue lekumele silalele sisekahle kunana ligama lethi under pressure yeah ligama lethi under pressure mina limosha impilo yami labaningi labangangathi bangibona manje baqedithe impilo yami igrand ayisigrand
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I understand ligama lethi under pressure linkhawathi kakhulu of which namanje mangilicabanga solo ngiyalimala but ukuthi ngiyakhula letinye izinto ufuna ngithi icolele you understand kude mina ngifuna ngimcole ngaphandle ukuthi ngithi icolele mina because I was the one who wathatha lawo ma dishes
Yeah.
by then bengumncane nambe ngathi usikwendikani but le gama lethi under pressure le under pressure ikhona yaphila ni serious so ngichaza kuthini bonga lo lonako
Yeah.
lo ungiko phila kona ngicela kunendele ichi mina angeke kureke ukuthi ngithole maybe angisho ukuthi ku wrong kulala abagcokako njani
Yeah.
kuya ngokuthi umuntu uthi khona njani you understand maybe akana pressure vele wathi khona and if you mawuthi khona kufanele ukuthi ncishe lifetime kufanele utiphilise mina njoba ngikhuluma ngicwa Mr Price kakhulu angifuni kunyenga ngicwa Mr Price mangina 200 rand na 4
Sorry, Themba uthi uaware noma uthi aware uyavuma. Just wanted to make
mangina
sure.
200 rand ngina 4 ma t-shirt la plain ina black mhlophe nalamanye amakhala litobe ngiwathanzile like ngichaza ukuthi angingawaleli ukuthi ngaskipha lesi 1 sa 800 rand while ngathi ukuthi ngihola 1.5 mangothi ngaskipha sa 8 ngisala na 700 rand ngiwendana 700 rand uphila ekhaya uyabona ukuthi kutongo even nala maybe la ngisebenza khona sekutongilidela ukuthi ngitshontshe because BRK ekhaya kubo ngicheese boy sorry une mathenda lathi
Uyabekisa.
you understand
Like uyabekisa.
yeah
Not literally.
bonufana naye mara
Hayi, man.
so lo muntu lona thola ukuthi monthly une allowance la itholala bamphayo or la endako let's 15000 mina ngithola 1.5 uqwa skipper sa 1.2 zero or se Fabian just because mina ngihamba naye sekufuna nami ngibulalise ukuthi angeke phela nama uthi ngisithola kuna something le ilahleka
Sure.
you understand because the more kusigcoka kwami kayi1 kayi2 kusigcoka kwami kayi1 angeke ngivume ukuthi sibhabhuke leskipa
Yeah. True.
funa ngisi-replace and mangi-replace ngalesi sithi boma 1.8 so lo le ndiyakhuphuka and once angeke ngithenga ikipa waya wami ngigcina sekufuneka nengcazo yabona ukuthi sengiyakuphi sengiyalahleka simo sami ngala siyabhetha
Mara ngalana wena uvela umuntu ogrand.
yabo you understand seyibuya la ngicela ukuthi ichi Tupac na BIG khona la lama line abawabeka ngicabanya kuna cheese boy lapha kunomuntu okhulela emgwaqeni lo kherezakho we understand ngiphinze ngibekisa nga Cristiano na Messi Messi gifted Cristiano ehereza lento we understand so for me not to say ukuthi ngichoose ama side or njani but lo muntu lo hereza agcina seka grand
Chanu analyst ye hip hop uphinze uanalyst ye disc
I understand ngiyamvuma because lo muntu lelo udakanayo so utitshela ukuthi no angeke ngihlule lento only if into eyifunza ngiyende right you understand wayifunza wayenda right but namuhla ulapha not to say ukuthi ukhule vele nende khona bebambekele ukuthi anayi penalty nix so ngichaza kuthini ngichaza ukuthi smachita whatever lesesinako asik accepteni
yeah
ungayifuni ihlupheko longayathi ibhlungu yayathi
Tamchita.
le hlupheko lonayo igrand you
governor
understand le hlupheko lophilayo namanje imnandi sharp mawuthi uphila ngedragon gijima ngedragon mawuthi yabona Red Bull endlini lahla lento lahla lento so igcina isendisa amanga mina eJozi kuMondo FC basikhetha C6 basithatha kuma trials la ku Super Sports under 14
yes
but buka namhlanje kuphi kunemajita amle ngasuka nawo
Simphiwe Shabalala
yabo no yeah
I remember ukuthi once kuba my teammates or something like that udlala nabo Simphiwe Shabalala
okay bo Simphiwe beku azange abayi teammates yami but opponent
okay
yeah
my rivals
like
They're in the same league.
yeah Alexander
Hey man, it means a lot you just being around that same air nayo lo muntu lo.
we understand so imagine ukuthi ngabe ngabehave ka the way nice Simphiwe behave ngakhona ngabe nguphi
Le experience leyo benjani kuseni?
we understand kunemajita amle ngisuke nawo ngayi side skin lelenye sengize ngalahla lamanambayo Ntumi besima best friends so okay yena akasadlali sekahlot futhi asadla but sadlala ama team amnqa uhlala eBelgium la out icala ngisaphuma kwamejele benongiselela Thombete endli yakhe eBelgium
akumotivator
you understand athi chief bheka mina sengiva you understand ofeature ngumsoli akavisi ibhlungu instead of ibhlungu uchaza ukuthi ngivuke ngithi tsinzite whatever into khona ukuthi tsinzita ngako angitsinzite ngafuni kubele ebholeni whatever sengibamba ukuthi ngiyakhona kubamba le phone ngilethela njengoba labanye bangakhona angichubeke ngale phone ngingasabuki ngalokho and kuvuka kwami ukuthi tsinzita kuwa kwami nalokuvuka kwami ukuthi tsinzita angingabuki ukuthi izibani uyangihleka ukuthi ngiwile angeke ungisenza ukuthi lo uyangihleka ngende yangihleka better kudlula mina you understand because sonke sinethi hlupheke singagcoka ikipa so sigcoka igcone ama specs sinehlupheke lengafana kusala hlupheke ikhona
yakena the way arika ngakhona Kuluva and the way you speak I feel like we have opened a motivation session automatically like I said to you guys it's going to be a motivation on its own you understand
Well, it's good because it's talking with experience.
experience the reason why you can even see the passion in when he expresses himself I want to ask you two questions. Question yokuqala separation yabatali bakho iaffect ngakanani
leyo ilikhuni ne but ngiye explain because akusilula ukuthi like me especially ole lam chief that's why nami ngithi noma ngilamgwaqeni ngitholile kwa 10 rand iqala endlini sinvo sithi ungakhohla la uphuma khona
wona
you understand ole dwami ngiboshe Jozi ngiboshe Santini eMashwa Park olujwa amhlala eBabathon
mfethu
akaspani kuyabhetha olujwa makagilesi ngikufihle lo yabo uyada sikhulu kufana nabo abakhulu kufana so simo sakhe bese wrong sho ukuthi lesimo lebeka kuso mina ngisende saba worse you understand instead of mina ngibuye ngijabulise yena ngibuye ngiyamkhalisa ngijabulisa abangani you understand oledi bekaswela imali yokusuka la
ayeke yobuka
ayongicheck eJozi athi mntwa do you know angathi ukuthi le feeling kumbe niyayathi or niyathi lokuthi bathi umntwana nakho bathi bo oledi
yeah
umntwana kuboshiwe boshwele ekutheni nje akathi ukuthi oledi cha umntwana mudlani bamendani bamdlengula bamshaya yabo dini le into licabanga of which angeke umsole akalali ubusuku nebe lo muntu instead ugcina abane stress lamanye batali ba strong machini labanye babhoda bashona you understand noma thola ukuthi lento be weak but the fact ukuthi BRK uboshu sejele yamlimada you understand so koledwa hambe difficult ngabe difficult vele kwa serious cause ngikhumbula first day wafoster ukuthi abambe istimela from ngo6 Nzambama ngala sofika ngalo ngo6 ekseni bikaphethe wangiphathela amjumbulo le scaffing se ice cream
Yeah,
sithulile
yeah.
bengifayile emjumbulo angifayile nenyama like uyabona ukuthi
Unfortunately, angathi umjumbulo
yabo yeah but kuyabhetha
Yeah.
you understand and nami nanoma ngabe bathi lokudla bekunjani or but the fact ukuthi kude namakwami
Yeah.
Yeah.
ngithanza
It
ngathanda
meant a
ngifuna
lot.
ngikudle noma bathi ngisuthi mara kusala ngifuna ngikudle like ngathini
Inesimo
lokuthi
yeah, lokuthi makukhona presence yamama.
ngibona likhaya mina ngibona lokudla ngibona ekhangikhumbula ekhaya
Yeah.
you understand unlike ikalkopu indengane yabo
Yeah.
Tidoda sejele.
In Dengane, it's like imdoko.
you understand so ikalkopu ngelesingwa sort of ikota yabo
Yeah.
basiphakisa njalo
Yeah.
emara sasejele sicini ngakushanga sulima yabona le so wathi makafika olady bengiyo attend court mina ngathende Wynberg bangisusa Wynberg bangise Westgate phakathi eJozi bangisusa eJozi egcineni la sengigwejele khona bengekho 1 besi3 of which besi5 2 yadla phansi azange sayikhipha ecaleni kwasala c3 sayibamba lento sathi masibambisa phelela high court ePritchard
What were the charges?
My charges were 8
Okay.
In bekungase ukuthi ku schedule 6.
schedule 6
Yes.
ngicela kuhlathi schedule 6
Yeah.
schedule 6 like licala leli heavy
Yeah.
licala leli heavy ngiliphi from rape imbama it's a common
Yeah.
asikhulume ku 24 nakusiske schedule sima bangathi uboshiwe schedule
Schedule
6
6.
wrong chief
Wrong. Yeah.
of which maximum futhi nama maximum asasing 15 if I'm not mistaken sicala ku 18 ngetulo that's why bas sentence mase bas sentence athina sithi basinika 30 years sa share 15 ngokuhlala 10 and imajele ngihambile South Africa 11 the reason ngihambe emajele lamaningi is because angifuni ukulimala
How old were you?
I was 16 years old
When you let's cut the watch.
yeah
Sentence.
I was 16 years old by that's why ngithi okay ngasho ukuthi letinye into uNkulunkulu ngibonise lomnye umuntu angabona ngathi ngibe nebhadi kanti indlela ukuthi uNkulunkulu akusave etiningi nebangani bami labashonile bengiphila
Yeah, I
nabo
remember you told me.
kunalomunye esikhuluma manje usekutama event when life sentence na 30 years eceleni so buka mina namhlanje ngaphandle ngiyakhona ukuphuma ngipick and pay ngobhali phalish ngiyakhona kuphi lese ngine movement ngiyaphefumula ngiyaconga ngiyaphila
You have your own car now.
yo nginekara yami you understand nengcuzi sengicala nefamily yami you understand so that's why ngithi angisho ukuthi kumnanzi mina kejele but kuya kwamejele kungivula emehlo kwangivula ingqondo
Yeah.
you understand ungevama uthatha umuntu athuto ukushaya ubhandi into nemanga akakwathi
Awungibeke thathu sibeke. Take us through the whole process. Now you're being sentenced.
yeah
What happened at the time bathi 30 years in your share 15 engqondweni yakho what happened?
ngokhohle yathi kwendekani bengise Pritchard like mawungena eboxini mawungena eboxini kunalomnyango athi sliding
Yeah, lo mncane.
yeah then before bakugweba kanti bakusummarize summarize then bakusummarize bakutshele nga19 bani acting kwasha kwacika kwaphinze kwavutha yabo net mabathi mabasinika okay mina njengami angisibidi ngesigwebo
Yeah.
ngibita ngelijezi lebhola
Okay. Oh yeah.
gcoka number 10 lo gcoka abantu
15,
bani yabo bathi mabasinika amajezi ethu lokweligede before mara basinika mabacela usummarize ukuthi magama okay ngicela ukulungisa la kunelijudge kuna magistrate ukile letinto
True.
yeah mara banigweba boyithu ijudge lise magistrate I mean i-magistrate
Sema
sema
court. High
Say
court.
judge.
Judge.
this is high court ijudge ngibo labakhipha gwebe tenzamo nanani gwebe likhulu let serious wathi macetha usummarize igcineni masaka yevalo kunalamanye amagama wawakhipha of which kuthi kimi bese kushubile njani kwaphuma kancane la kwaphuma kwaphinzwa wabuya but bengingathi ukuthi kwendekani wasitshela ukuthi sasebancane safuna sihambe sofunza lamagama ngishadisi ukukhuluma kwakhe makathi sasebancane safuna sihambe sofunza ngatshela ukuthi bathisekela bathi sesikolweni like kuna serious note
Yeah, ngiyakuthola.
ngatshela ukuthi babathi kuse
Very scared.
siyanixolela ukwabona like umntwana lo shall faster or something la
Yeah.
yabo usiyambamba uthi uyaxolela gijima yabo ngatshela ukuthi kunalokho
Eish.
kanti uthi makathi basixolela uchaza ngelimi lasecourt uchaza ukuthi bayosigweba mara basigweba lesincane even though basinike 30 sincane kunalamacala labusweni lento sigwebo kumele sisithole lesikhathi lesigwebo lesincane abasinika sona lesigwebo ukuthi bafuna ukuthi sofunga
niyolungisa impilo yenu
leminyaka leyo eprison kunetikolo even though tingafana la ngaphandle ichoice kuwe kunema section abantu abayesikoleni nalabangayi esikoleni nalabo badila ngayiki umsebenzi wetanda bocampaign nana into efana nalo kukhona lokho prison even though lama emajele ngasikhona lama emajele afike late you understand so bathe mabasigweba basherela iminyaka yethu basitshela ukuthi sigwebo samba so concrete hamba lokhu nalo sabathi fine kwathi mase samba sese prison lekumba file site ngayo akusasingiyo lesijike ngayo lekumba file lesijike ngayo ndiya labantu abagwetshiwe leli siqhamuke ngayo ematrial itrial umuntu osengagwetsha kufanele ukuthi inyawo lakhe leli one lingaphandle leli one sasejele you understand then kule kumba lesebiyele emuva kunema FC lapha phakathi ma FC ama federal charge umuntu ubamshaya 30 years usanelicala lelinye attender that's why al federal charge chief ikumba 5 ngicala ngiva bathi kunekumba 5 lo labanye abantu basikhuluma kumba 5 bathi kumba bacaba imoto ekhulu kumbe amaphoyisa no ikumba 5 like immoral yasejele tingoma tasejele
yabo ngibani kambe lo Freddy Gwala
le ngoma letinye tiyakhuluma letinye tingakwenda ukuthi utibulale manje tingakwenda ukuthi ubulale umuntu manje tingakwenda ukuthi wende noma yini so sathi mase singenele kumba kunalo wani kumjida bekumela bekulathenda vele uhlanya mara uhlanyela phejela ngalamacala nawo lo muntu unkhuluma bamgweba ngathi 107 years still usasel federal charge lo muntu loya bekeme uhlala emelapha eminyango masingena bayivala si giant uphethe liketana ushaya lapha leliketana ushaya ntomnyama mara ushaya kahle kancane kunani ingoma la ishaya and bacetha ukungweba angathi ngibe ngicala ibhandisi kakuthi njengoba besigwebile kuyonikana siyapha sathi sitshela mhlembe
yena una 16
siyakulelinye elijele ithi lengoma ungithi sala kahle mama sala kahle mama sengiyamba ngentanjeni ekuse chief angathi ukuthi ngiyaphi ngithi ushaya lengoma and already vele ufuna basali kuyabhetha ngeke sababona bangigwebile and ngalawo bala ukuthi ngentanjeni ngibona athi lengoma uculela mina because ngithi ubuto ngithi lobe wayibe ngasona ngacula ngoma even though bengamboni but wanyalo sekunathi ka
acula le ngoma
chief le out yashaya le ngoma ngaphuma atinyembeti ngathi mangiguquka ngibo choose macala uphuma atinyembeti naye ngila ngibona khona ukuthi sekurong
yabona for the first time go what's the deal siba so quiet and so attentively listening to this man. No, you know we've seen some storytellers, but dog, you've taken us. Yeah, you need that one. No, Kuluva is a storyteller. Remember to follow us on our social media. What's the deal? So yeah, take us through that, Kuluva.
Chief, as manghamba, okay, sathi masesihamba sesifika eDanyana. Singena ku the very same reception, but indlela tsafana.
Ay.
Sehlukile. Seyibhantinti iskap seyitrial angisayi ngale. Sengene ebhantinti iskap sebacala sebafuna banginike uniform. Etrial awugqoka uniform. Kona bahlataka locha. But material amanye ngathi wani uniform.
Gqoka yena.
Sine sangena kudzala. Yabo. Then uniform yakhona abaqala kunasikhathi sokuqaqwasa ekhaya. Akusikusekhayini lapha. Akunamanga kunababi. And akunama ayini. Isikhathi singene ngaso uthi ma ayini kude yathi ayina njani okay ngitofika tu ke ayini bakushange ngeuniform bayikhiphe emaboxini bakunika njengoba injalo tonke tiyafana isize ngaka mina ufuna ngibona iplan singenda njani uyayibona le mashulezi in yabo ufuna ngibona iplan then makhamba kwesikhathi uba naleyo nhlanhla okay njengami yabona majida la gangako ayajwayelana abamaningi thola ukuthi laba bale scheme sakho sijwayele let's say ni scheme ngala si scheme understand thothi thina sabosha kucala then nimangena nisithola silapha at least kuba ngcono yabo ngiyakhona ukubhekela ngelibhruku ukuthi ekusele yasemzini vele yasemsatana ngaphandle you understand ngiyakhona ukubhekela ngencaza ukuthi hayi until now uzothi ngisuke grand awunansipho in until uzuhlanganise nawe efonini ukuthi ekuseke sekabhet sengise yabo ngisetintweni ngicela ngiphathele lokhu nalokho yabo then kuba difficult if utofika ejele longalati kungabi nebantu lobatiko that's where ngifuna ukuba honest about this one. That's where utholakala ukuthi ungena ungibongani ugcine sowungibongi.
Yeah.
Angathi kumbe
Yeah,
you understand? Ungena ungibongani ugcine sowungibongi itinto letiningi.
Ungena ungibongi songiriyana.
Yabo. Ngala wena tinto tokugcoka. Sibosha sinemcondo uyafika. Mawufika nje kusekhambani ngokubita yasemzini mara ngikwathi. Ngibe Peter Thief wena wala. Yasemzini khambani ugrand ashapa angawarto barata sichike ngala. Yabo. Ethothi wena leso sikhathi une-backnyana yakho maybe kune-cosmetic lapha phakathi ugrand ngithi abe kade into ngikhombela ijele mawubeka ngitshela amajiti athathe le bag ashaye everything le lapha sifuna kusebenza wena you understand
Bakali
yeah the more batshontsha le team asibuya nami yothi okushaya bakushayele uyakhala phela leso sikhathi ngamara ungawari nato tine tokunika that's where cala kubhayiziseka khona and wena uthayini wena utshela umuntu mhlawumbe uba nebuntu uyabona sekakala manje ukhipha 20 yekhohle ejele
mfethu
ukhiphe 2 malustro kuphela lo muntu loyo bayikhipha uthi hayi kusemela ligwanga salifunda leso sikhathi wena uyabhema uthi hayi ngiyokulahle akakakutshela ukuthi akakathi mi akakakubuthi ukuthi uyalifuna ligwayi uthi hayi mina ligwayi lenyolulahle and obvious ngeke uvume uthi alilahle yala ngeke lo muntu ukushaya uyakuthema uyakulimata strong uyothini wena cha kusemalahle ngiyankaza yankaza hayi kuleka bafana
ushanga le 20 yo
you understand
uyibhadale
uyalimala so ngito tinto le ukuthi njoba ngishilo ukuthi ungena ungibonga gcine songibonga gcine sebakwenda mfati you understand ngalithi zathu ukuthi uthanza tinto nalokuthi mhlambe ungayitholi ibhesuku you understand because the more ungatholi ibhesuku obvious ungatholi ibhesuku ngeke ube ne roll on ngeke ube ne don angeke ube na something like bakuleselo uyithola ku ufuna uthole labantwini you understand kunetiboshwa letiwashela tiboshwa timbali just because hayi ukuthi lo muntu ngoba usilima ucalculate isimo sakho ubuye cheat la uyabona sekuse angina bhesuku mina angitholi nix but nokuthi bangilale no ngamaningi ngizame something you understand that's why phela yabona ejele akusana ukuthi kunababe kunamake lapho uyatibona
ndoda mayizibona
and nasejele konke lokho wrong right ungavuka ufile kusasa ungathi ufeleni so lo muntu lo lovuka lo washela tiboshwa tibadla angumsoli maba mwashele at least mangwashele bork ngiyathi kuse clippers utonginika 20 rand akufani or ngikhuluma naye deal ukuthi sengicela ukuwashela ngipidona
yeah
lo muntu lo ngibala ngibela le nkulumo yami le yabo Ronaldo uyahereza sure you understand uyahereza ukuthi at least when there's something atoba na something na athimachile kusila gezile ukhona ifile ongcobisile uhleli you understand so njoba ngishilo ukuthi ejele akusekhaya kini akusilikhale umuntu
uthe usalona kungena lapha
Yeah.
you said uhambe about how many prisons 11
Yeah.
and then kulama prison because you said it's harder to go into a prison la ungati umuntu khona
Yeah.
so take us through that ukuthi kulalama prison bowati labanye bantu na
bese simple bese ngine experience and bese nginesikhathi ngisejele
okay
ngaqala place of safety mina ebusasa
busasa yeah
busasa lo besola bisa penta
Yeah,
ngagavela
yeah.
eKrugersdorp yeah bengaqala lapho yabo then that is Sun City eDragon
nayo ke lenza bese I just need the
lapha
experience
kagogo lapha
experience yes Sun City
eDragon kagogo Chitas angathi manje Sun City uba ne TV yakho la yakhona thuma lagata nyathi kuse ngicela ube ne KFC mayilunchini yabo okay mina lenye into ngisurvive ejele kulamajele amaningi isoccer
Okay, sure.
isoccer in say madoda isoccer
chana bodlala ngel Nike
so bengidlanga neMercurial
Mercury
Yeah.
yabona yathi ejele kunjani ejele lejele leli inkulu bangathi tiboshakane emajele kunema draft nanani
yeah
kunetibosha lethambile tathambela nje amajele ukuthi lamanye amajele ngasemakhaya kuba yabo lokho vele ngokufaka draft hambile but the more thatha ama draft ngidlala ibhola mangifike lejele alwana babathini bebangibita zizo mina nickname yebhola of which kahle masephelela zine din zizo zidana
Yeah.
you understand yeah hayi lo noma bathini uzizo lo ya kusele plan yebhola sekucala umsindo mina bakulwele kakhulu ejele ngifuna ukuniyenga manje ngeti
bakulwela bawana
you understand bakulwele kakhulu because hey bengiro
Dlala ama tournament nani
everything ema league
Okay.
everything uyadata lo certificate dami noma medal tasejele
it's
vele
wild,
bengirong
yeah.
buti
Yeah, we
machele
there.
cishile ngihambile
You were there.
lene bengcowa number 10
So basically,
so i-career yami yonke iphelele ejele yebhola
Yeah.
because kude nami ngitokwenda bengengithi isikhathi sami bengithi ngiyagodla ngidlala ibhola bengidlala nami ngihambisa isigwebo sami
Yeah.
isigwebo sifuna sihambe egcineni
Yeah.
you understand so lento injani ugcine watiwa everyone ejele ukuthi ha le yabo bakurecognize as yabo yeah so kufana na Simphiwe Shabalala ngathi ngibalise njengateko siyamati so ngomarakanati but kulula for wena ukuthi umrecognize ukuthi
So in other words,
ngiteko man
Ngalamanye
You
amagama
understand?
wena ball celeb lasejele.
yeah kind of
Yes, Kuluva.
mathi dama ustar yabona mabisa ibukela ngaphandle
Yeah, no, I understand.
yeah, no, yeah.
yeah mawustar skin ustar everyone uyakwati wona labanye obati ustar so mina into lebe nginika inkinga lokuthi sebayati contract yami yaphela ngala ku City Stars
Yeah.
sifuna ngosayina ku Pirates
Yeah.
sekumsemsini sekuqala kuyalwa bayalwa
Yeah,
tikhulu
yeah,
yabo
yeah, yeah.
ngala sebana kumbribe na mekuse chief na 1000 ekuse so kuthengela likhokho le cause ejele bakusayina ngemali mina eSouth City bangisayina nga 2.5 ngifika you understand ngasayina iSundowns nasejele kunalama
team, yeah.
le hype ebakhona makudlala iDerby Chiefs nePirates nasejele khona of which ku good
Yeah.
14 City Bosch even though ngasasisi Bosch ku good cause usambisela sigwebo le hype lokuthi yalibhakania iChiefs yabo
yeah.
Sundowns yeah khambisa sigwebo without logo sigwebo sakho storm utolokho utolahlekela na ingqondo
Kuluva. Nguva kahle. Okay, Kuluva, I remember you told me that you quit smoking and drinking.
Yeah.
Take me through that process. What made you to say, you know what, I'm leaving all of these things?
okay I think ngicale ngala ejwaleni
Yeah.
obvious ejele good ejwala
Yeah.
then I decided about no le ichance yami le okay bengisasemncane but most yathi sesicala tshwala sibancane for lesikhathi lesi I want no njoba vele kude etshwala le asiba then ngaba nenkinga eligwayi izolo ngayekela fast ma drugs ejele bengawatholi lulu because bengibheme nama drugs you understand so I problem inkaws ungayekela 3 months but inyanga s4 uyibheme so inkaws ngayekela 2004 tshwala ngabugcina 2003 manje is 2021
Yeah.
you understand so grand
The funny thing about the question is you are always guma gigs and you are like not go to just as like a bystander. You are always there into it, organizing things. And you don't even have a temptation to go to let me just sip a bit.
hey yathi njalo lento chief kuwe ungatitshela ufuna utitshele chief
Yeah.
yabo utitshele vele into leswangyati mangakubalela abantu engihlala nabo bo businessmen cishe mhlawumbe Mpumalanga siyabathi labaningi labanasatshwala ubudurako futhi labaye baze babushiye busale nakimi ngiyaba nabo netshwala ngibusala ngadi mina uthini ngibaphe ngibinike nje abangani bami sorry labanathako ngisebenza etshwaleni ngiba busy etshwaleni ma event dilwa ngetshwala but angikho tempted I problem the reason ngabe tempted is because I know my goal ukuthi kahle kahle sengifocus ekuphi you understand
Zizu, we're going back to prison life. I know there are gangsters, the safety and everything. So how did you survive here? Like, soccer made you to survive or you had some tactics there?
besides soccer ne ngachoose mina ukuthi because remember while usase trial uyakufunza lokunye kwangala you understand
Yes.
and etitori tase Banditis Cup tiyafika ngala trial so ngathi mina kufika ku Banditis Cup ngachoose kuba lo 1-1
Okay.
kunemithetho nje kunema 26 nema 28 bonongolozo yabo kunema big 5 kunema rough 3 kunema rough 4 kunema Air Force but sikhona thina ma 1-1 ma 1-1 yini impatha but sithi impatha
Okay.
the more 1-1 the more uyimpatha the more uphumelela nganibona le nombolo yabo le nombolo ukuthi bayagcwaliselana bentani ngikhiphe emuko ngithi kusengicela ungigwazele banibana pha yabo nawe uthembe ungathi ufuna ukuba kumanskap uthola amagunya khona swati yabo ukuthi abuya ku mara bathi uthola amagunya yabo uhamba ushaya lo muntu but le umshayenza ngile wrong la lo msipha ashone wena ungene wenda 3 years bagcina sebagweba ngale medal lapha bathi 25 plus the 3 so wenda 28 years so bulima lobo angeke ngize ngikufihla
So, do you think it's easy to kuba exposed at like the mouth ungena ungatati grand?
yathi lento injani ne it's up to you. Yabona mawatati ne ukuthi wena ngubani utoba ne problem. Even nangala ngaphandle life.
Yeah.
Because I think okay thingende la ngaphandle ichi like ngithanda kuhlala nani but ngiyabona good way forward.
Yeah.
Sihlale sikhuluma ngebantu. Sihlale sifuna kunatha tshwala singanamali.
Yeah.
Njalo kuseni siyavuka sifuna sihlale silibhodlela lebiya. Okay,
Skazateli 750.
if you choose pathele angisho ukuthi ngifuna ukufocus life ngitoba le millionaire but ngikhona ukuphila chief.
Yeah.
I-life akusinjalo. Yabo, but at least ngathi ukuthi kusisi ngiyathi ukuthi sikhona impahla ngogqoka kusasa. Ngiyathi ukuthi ngo1 into khona kudla. You understand? Ngiyathi ukuthi at least imbed nginawo ngawuthenga. Ngiyakhona kubona machita hayi kabi. Kulesikhathi 2021 umchito usole TV awuna DS. Awuna sound uphoreka ku.
Say,
That's bad.
Uphoreka ku. Like to be honest uphoreka ku.
Exoshayela.
So you understand? The thing that
I know there are a lot of guys that are going to hate him for this.
You understand?
Like serious.
The thing that tufuna mkhorezo. Angeke mina ngihlale 10 years ejelo nasolula ngaphandle ngibuyile ngine TV solo TV.
Fethu.
Wendana.
Fethu.
You understand?
Sleeping and playing.
Yini lento le ndawo. Mawubuya ucela mina 200 ligwayi futhi.
Skun 10 and then you come back and be top.
You understand that thing. So that's why ngithi nala ngaphandle ufune what story sakho ufuna utata ukuthi ngibani ufunani.
Kuluva, coming back out. We are Pume Danyan. But before Pume Lap, have you ever been like dropped the soap or being approached to say, can I make you Mebung Roy, can I make you Rihanna?
No, okay. Yathi lento kunjani? Kunalomnya achoose wami ne.
Yeah.
Waboda.
Okay.
Waboda letanyana. But akusing achoose kuleli cala.
Okay.
You understand? I-choose ukuthi siyatana ngaphandle njengoba bengishilo yabo. Yeah, nase Danyambe siphila song umchita. Okay, before yabona if mina into hlale ngifuna kutenda iboss kuwe ngiclubha.
Yeah.
And at the moment ngibona ngathi wena vele uyahlukumetheka. Yathi kwendekani ngala? Kunento lebukhulumako la phakathi kuke nalesibungu lokuthi egcine masedubuka nami ngisesikhona.
Yeah, the anger.
You understand? So ngo jump asimele sithi ukuse PRK kwendesomsaba. You understand? Ngilo achoose wami kuyalapho. Athi kunalomnye mchita ene west part lo mchita loyo wase Alex sonke sibe Alex egomo.
Yo.
Then ufuna kwenda mchita mfati.
Okay.
Always mchita mana athi uyasitshela yabo. Uyasibekise kusele lelo ngulomuntu lo. Angincane. Lelo lo muntu lo angincane. Yabo uthini ukuthi hayi wenda nje litayilo yabo like
Oh, some full.
Cherry yabona mawuyifuna.
Yeah.
You understand? And letinye izinto wakhutwa ngini sithi ha chief. Anone yathi kuthi umeku. Unga stress kakhulu. Lahla lelo ngayicabanga kakhulu because the more ucabanga kakhulu esinye isikhathi umuntu lo ngathi it seems ngathi uke wayenda before or uyayena safuna or something. But ignore lahle kanti siyathi sima out yakho. Kwendekani one day bengidala ama days over now. Cina kwamdala ama days.
Days isn't like
yeah.
Days must be
Days,
noma.
Chief. Siyeta lapho. Siyeta.
Pulling one.
Kwendekani besidlala ama days. Sacetha ngo 5 ekseni.
Yo.
Ilitshele balimaste ngo 1 weekend. It was Saturday. Ngilelo la ngikhamba umphefumulo. Wade out.
Fethu.
Lebe khawatha
Mchita.
yeah.
I choose one.
Yeah, lebe yathi kwendekani. Madayizini lo ngala. Lona uyishela lo ukuthi adliwe.
Okay.
Into takhe tonga yabo atokhona kumdonsa kahle.
Yeah, don't
Yabo
compromise.
adliwe vele achoose. Adliwe abamshangishe nesikafula mphethe.
Wena.
Lo siyacala kwendani? Ubaligwala kwa.
Yeah.
Khona la. Ntwana yebo yini kanjani nini kuse kwasuka lenye ghost. Lona unalesibungu ukuthi solo yahlukunyedo.
And nyalo sodliwe.
Enenyalo udliwe yonke into yakhe ishombhede. Ngilaba cala khona ejele ukuthi ilfastero sebalifaka bathini safe ngala libala mkhathini asakhona ukulithinza. Chita bamshala la kule throat la bamshala into le yaphuma edlala so gone labe ngicina khona kudlala ama days and by that time benginabo close to 6 months ngalimala angazi ngayibona into leso besigcina ukubona ukuthi
Mafidi.
kuma hora yabo ma check ibathi chainsaw but le angazi ngayibona into leso so laphayana sengi overalla konke ukuthi lona ufuna kunemuntu ufuna ukuthi kudliwe lo munye abe mfati ini yabo ngila ngikhula khona nami mara ngikhula ngilimele
Sure.
you understand and singacabana mara masiphume ekahleli 1 sisenzaweni futhi le bet akho asicabane nesibuyeni nganeno
Yeah.
sitotsingana ungathetha mina ngeke ungitsinga mara utongitsinga nami into okutsinga hayi kusho ukuthi mina njengoba ngincede wena ngeke ngize ngikutsinga wena into okutsinga nawe you understand injalo same kuba naloko magang
Yeah.
yabo le magang leyo I wrong right the reason ngithi I wrong right ngito ibala kwelimi lasesijele ukuthi I right because ikuvikela kwetilo letso so but kuya depend ukuthi ngwaphi la magang emile ngikhuluma ngawo ngilokuthi thina besiphume eGomora sigomora kunento asesowethu tasezola 1 zola 2 yabo isowethu yodwa kunemazimzima aZimbabwe you understand because uthanza ungathanzi behlala isukile especially juvenile njengoba ngisho ukuthi konke right yonke into le wrong right kusethu juvenile abakhutani bundwana bonke lelo phakathi sana le peer pressure ukuthi ngesishawe isowethu thina sigomora ngesishawe isowethu yana sebe kunaloko so le bonge uhlale ungahlali ngala le scheme lesingala even noma wasegomora ungadi ngahlangana nawe yakugijima yakushaya yabo singahlangana nebasesowethu wela uyalo rakalo uyashajwa so vele umuntu bese position
Ne?
yeah but kuhamba kwaphela lo cause egcineni kuziphelele nefuna ukuphuma emphefumulo yebantu of which is not good mina ngijabulisa ukuthi ngikushayile wala batali bakho bajabule ukuthi wena sawusekho emhlabeni abajabule you understand then lento sena sasebancane mara mase umkhulu ngithi ukuthi kusemara ngambulala vele umntana ebantu iyangidla kwamina nawe ifuna ukudla so the more soqala le behavior yakho lese ivelile la kule space lesikuso wena uthanza ukuba busy nebafana akusasilula man kuthi lapha le scheme lesa or lapha or ufuna I understand because most isikhathi listening bantu labafuna kulala nabaye bantu labangachama kwenzaweni le 1 uya ngokuthi mina ngibuye Natal lo ubuya kuphi eMpumalanga uyathi ukuthi dad yawo hamba ngeke aphinza kubona you understand so kukuwe lenye into futhi njengoba ngisho kukuwe ukuthi le nto accept ngale okay it's fine let's say maybe bakule ekhayini bakuvisit bakulethela konke nabo but mawutsanzela kutsanzela lento you understand so khona lokuthi uyadlala lo nyalo jela kuquka buka phasi
ngiyancishana
nala magama lawa abekile yabo lokuthi ngathi kabona ini yabo machite madla so direct umuntu lathi mutsini kancane you understand the most faka yini chayelo abangani bakhe babonile ukuthi
ukuthi la
lapha ibhola idlala ufuna sobole inzalo kudlala khona ibhola so nanoma ngibani lakithi angisho ukuthi kunalenye ingoma ithi noma ungahamba ngezimoto ukibeli pachelo uzokeleche le ngoma lena ichaza ukuthi noma ngibana ngayejele kwa wena angisho ukuthi ngiyafika but ungayejele ungavuka kusasa nje ungeva bathi urapile uyathi ukuthi akawo kamrape ufike uye court ibone indlela yabathi 30 years bongacabanga ukuthi uyejele yabo
that's why ngesinto bathi liqala livula ingubo lingene
iqala livule nalento yethu ukuthi sithanza kufaka ama tattoo dangerous because ibela kimi ukuthi awathi ngenteke uthi uyaphuma la ngimochaya semntwana ebantu kanti le family abamthanzi gogo wakho kwashona kutsala yabo sebalwa nawe nyabakise court bathi 25 wena bosithanzela liblomu lakho la khayini wafaka stuku walibeka la liblomu emafika ejele yakhuluma ichaza ukuthi umfati bonongoloza sebakulandzelela 28
Rihanna
Beyonce understand so ngilendo lento ukuthi basonzele tutani bakuhluphe kule tattoo because bayofika bayicela bathi zibo uthola ukuthi ushaya tattoo sema 20 ufake uthanza imali wena ufake dollar sign
enebantu bakhona
ma 26 ngiyola dila ngedollar sign ma usejele dollar sign chaza ukuthi ma ufika uthi uyageza lapha eshaka uyi-1 ngiyayibona kuthi bita abafowabo usathi yathula usathi uthi uvula mail bathi osh ziphi uthethi kuphi ini tibe kuphi athezona ziphi yebo so tinto letiningi lekhawutha amajip tiba fostela gcine seba engage sebangene kulento ngalento le yena ayenda ngayati You understand?
Can you chill and relax? I can say good
No,
now. It's like you're in the
this is
cinema.
disgusting.
Sengiyabuya.
Minute.
Sengiyabuya ne. Sengibuya ngokuthi uyibutile le question.
Yeah.
Uthi usho yipi?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's right.
Yeah. Mina
Udlala
ngifuna
time.
ibe straight. You understand? Asibosha shayishaya.
Yeah, pool why?
Chief. Ngeke ushaye ngeke
10 years.
ubasephethe njengesibosha.
So how do you get the privacy?
Chief, let me tell you this. Beyasathi iskafula sasejele.
Yeah.
Umpede isonga.
Yeah.
Sometimes thola uthi 3 nalomunye la.
Yeah.
Lo, mina ngilala la past lo, ngani kuna something la.
Yeah.
Oh, because Thomas I'm sorry, hala sapio ngishe chief, Beyonce ngisamkhanu. You understand? Ngisamkhanu. Sorry hala. Especially those pictures laba naked khona uyabathi labo vele ngama naked pictures abadala. Chief, khona ngikhumbula lamunye umjito ngilethela ibhuku lephone.
Yeah.
Ejele bengilibolekisa nga30 rand. Mari igcine bese funa ngolwela umjito lomunye ngasafuna ukunika.
Asafuna.
Yeah.
Tell me the time.
Chief, yeah, tiger chief. Ibhuku lephone qobo ubona konke.
30 rand.
Yeah, tiger. Uyahamba nayo selilanga ngilithatha kusasa kuseni.
Okay.
We are high riches.
Yeah. Lomunye sacabana ukuthi wakhipha le page. Obvious makhipha le page uplaka la pete no obvious makalele ilula le.
Yeah.
Uyabona le. Ilula, yeah. Sekunale ukuthi kune masturbation at daylight ngaphandle. Bavulile ejele ngaphandle. Ngicokile kahle prisoner yami.
Yeah.
Mara ngipisi. Sethe libhayete lami ngibekela ngaphandle. Sethe amashulezi, abomashulezi. Futhi grand leno kakhuluma leli jwabu. Uyibona lena. Ngoba lamashulezi ufasala kule semthile hamba la ufasala kulombonzo. Futhi mawushaya ngapsi ku right kakhulu. Ngoba lo mede makadlula lo welwalo wena ndaso tiyabhanyata. Uyibona lena.
Techniques.
Tiyabhanyata.
Techniques.
Uyayireva lena.
Ah, nento busy nje. Tiyabhanyata. Uqokile uright umlomo lawo. Uyadlula phela ngibikelela. Ethi bola wena ula. Uyibona lena. Ula.
I know.
So that's why it's bengiyetha la kule party.
Let's give Kuluva a round of
Yabo. That's why bengiyetha. So
I technique level.
mani ngesaqethe niyasishawa ngani basiphakisa le certification le certification ikhulu so emhlophe le tipo lento ungacancane igcwala likwephu yasele nzambo lapha le shawa fasela lapha le semthing ha ya lento uyadlala nje wena tiyagijima so machita sambile sibonile le live nami bengaya but igcine senyaka
Yeah.
understand? Yeah.
So I remember going back to the question. You would say when you Puma, you were called by Likwana FM.
Yeah.
So I remember there was this boy some time ago. Now when I was visiting prison,
Yeah.
that you were called to go to visit a prison because he was naughty. So how uyithatha this thing? Go like how many people do you feel like you have helped? And ukubona lo mnye umuntu asiteka going to feel njani lokho?
Ngikhumbula lesinye story kusema ngikhumbula le story leso.
Yeah.
Ngiphuma tinyembete le same time proud. You understand cause bese ngiqala ngenama prison tour.
Yes.
Letinye into sengitoma nikhulume yabo cause kahle nama distinct abikhona ngabe NSS ekutheni.
Yeah.
Ngabe seng powerful than manje when ngibona. Just because kuthi this thing the process funa yena BRK yangathi uthi lo to ba right hayi it's value market you understand because kunema funding lapho uma for ilona yami iprison to mina bengithatha abantwana besikole ngibayisejele bafundisa ngelijele ngibakhipha ukudla wasejele ngiloko ejele kwentiwa lokho like ubafundise lento live bayibone live before baya you understand and besinetha you understand besinetha so kwaba nalobushikashika vele
Hello.
yabo kwaba nalobushikashika ukuthi
situke show ne
angeke
yeah tombamba
Kuluva mina Kuluva to ba lento ya Kuluva sharp mara to ba right kuma Kuluva yabo so yahamba yaphela but khona la bebanceda lapha cause bekuphuma iCostin lamabhasi amathebula ledabulo ngagcina mangikhumbula bamgcina ngagcina abantwana base Hazyview cause besithatha isikele ngathi bayi 56 vele besuka iprogram yami ukuthi emile abantwana afune bahle yabo so cabanga labo bantu bebahlala bangenile plan while funding yami yaphuma mara bayayidla you understand even though ngeke ngibamention emagama it's fine